How in the hell do you belch that long? Never heard anybody belch that much.
When I drink canned Coke, makes me burp. I should have sang the alphabet for you.
Yeah.
Good stuff, Maynard. I'm proud of you. You ate a good breakfast and now you're eating a good dinner.
You what?
I said, I'm proud of you. You ate a really good breakfast and now you're eating a good dinner.
Yeah, can't help it. This is so good.
Uh-huh. Not bad for a white girl, huh?
Yeah. I'm gonna quit for a second.
Are you getting full?
Yeah.